The rise of the digital era and artificial intelligence has transformed photography. Disruptive elements in your shot? Excess furniture or garbage? No problem, AI rectifies it. AI offers immense editing possibilities, be it repairing damaged floors and ceilings, or correcting architectural image lines. It can turn your antique photo like new in seconds. Say adieu to driveway spots and pavement cracks. AI masterfully restores surfaces to their original form without distractions. Obstructive elements like wires, towers or parked vehicles. AI makes them vanish. Now the magic of photo editing is at your fingertips. AI can even complete that dreamy kitchen image by adding missing parts. It also works wonders with colors, pushing your sunset a bit closer to perfection, or even fixing unwanted spots. Enhance your images and remove unwanted objects using AI. Experience the amazing benefits of AI photo editing. Give a try to our high-tech real estate photography company. For your next real estate listing, let Big Picture 360's AI photo editing solutions elevate your photos. Our all-inclusive packages come with photography editing and object removal. Dial 647-640-7557 now. Schedule your session and let your real estate images come to life with Big Picture 360.